So guys, next open any browser and type search to Google search of Lenovo ThinkPad L13 Yoga. So right click to go to new tab, otherwise you just click it, which is official website pcsupport.lenovo.com. And if guys it is not showing and another showing the laptop, so no worry, you just enter the serial number, okay, and then click to search this search key. After that this is automatic, so if you have update automatic, so just click to scan and require driver to install it. If you have to install the separate driver, you just click to select driver of the manual features, okay, and then you can see this is then guys Bluetooth, Intel Bluetooth driver. Click to download, setup, then yes, then okay, then next, I accept, next, then Bluetooth driver is installed, then click to OK and finished. After that restart your system.